Arena and Heaven Help My Heart with Bay Health, as we talk about men and their general health, isn't it, really?
Yes, absolutely.
So I believe that you, at New Leaf Natural Therapies, you do the heavy metal testing. Now, can I ask you, why would you be testing that?
Because when people are tired, quite often heavy metals are messing with the energy production in the body. So if someone has muscle aches and pains, even if they're just cranky, it can be heavy metals that are blocking the absorption of things like magnesium, calcium, potassium, zinc. If you're high in copper, generally you're low in zinc. If you have high mercury, you'll be low in magnesium. If you are high in lead, you'll be low in calcium. So there are certain minerals that they know interact with other ones. So that's why we do it. And the same test, so it's called an oligo scan. It's a really quick little test. It actually does a readout of what's stored in the body as well as what's in the bloodstream. So the results can actually be quite different to blood work because the blood's what's in there right now, whereas the heavy metals are what's stored in the body. So it's what can be impacting on our health.
So what we're going to do, just after this sponsor break, we're going to talk to the top 5 things that you can turn to the man in your life right now and get him to do here at Bay FM.
Looking tired? Are you renovating?
Okay.